welcome back to my channel. Do not mind my broken nail, it just happened, so I'm really upset about that, but just thought I'd put it out there before you guys look and you're like, why is one nail just not there? But anyway, can we please get excited over this hair of mine? Ombre ponytail, and it is not weave, it is simply a fake ponytail that I bought from my local hair store for $9.99. yeah, I think it was like $9.99. Life game changer, because I will be applying this ponytail on special occasions, when I just want to look a bit more grown, when I'm going to the club. Hopefully it isn't, you know, easy to pull off, but I am loving this look, guys. I was basically inspired by Jhene. You guys should know that I love Jhene Aiko, and I got this look from her. She has been rocking this long ponytail for a while now, and I went into the hair shop and I saw ponytail and it was curly and it's actually ombre with some red in it, but it really suits me and it looks quite natural. So I put it all together using just 2 products, water, Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in, and then UKCURLYGIRL gel. I'm so sorry, but I just, you know, had to use it, had to. This is the final look and I hope you enjoy the video, and let me know if you try this out. Definitely, I'm sure I'll leave the link to the specific ponytail that it is in the description box below. I'll have a look to see if they've actually got it online, but if they don't, this is what the packaging looks like. So it just says pony on it, and it is the FM Instant Pony. This is the color number, in case you need that. I'm gonna show you how I put it all together, how I got this look, and yeah, let's just get straight into the video. I'll catch you later. I'm starting off with my curls, and then I'm just going to spray it down with some leave-in conditioner and some water, and then I'm going to put it into a ponytail. You do want to do it quite tight and as smooth as possible, so that's why I use the sleek brush. And I did put my hairband, guys. I'm sure you've all been there, it's pretty much curly hair problems. And next I'm going to just smooth that and then go ahead and open the packet of my ponytail piece. It does come in a hairnet, so you just want to remove that and then just slowly give it some air. Then it's got like this attachment that you pull to secure and 2 combs attached to it, kind of like what a wig has. Next you want to do a 2-strand twist with your ponytail and then twist it round into a bun as small and tight as possible. Now I did use some UKCURLYGIRL, guilty pleasure of mine, but it is just so quick to use, easy, and it really keeps my hair sleek, so occasionally I do use it. So just to get my middle part in and my bun really smooth. Next I'm going to cover the gel with my headscarf just until I'm finished doing the ponytail look, just to keep it as sleek as possible. Now I'm going to attach my ponytail, starting with the clip at the bottom of my bun. You want to make it as tightly secured as possible, and then you're going to put the ponytail over the bun and comb it into the top of the ponytail. Once that's clipped in, you're going to pull on the other secured band and twist that around the ponytail. As you can tell, I'm loving it already. To make it look a bit more realistic, I take a section of the ponytail and twist that around the start of the ponytail too. Once that's done and I'm happy with the ponytail, I'm going to take down the headscarf, and you will see here that my results are very smooth and sleek. I just love this style so much, guys. It's going to be perfect for the winter, a protective style, and really good for special occasions, birthdays, New Year's Eve. I'll leave the link to the ponytail below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.